Spark is one of the most essential and well-accepted big data programming frameworks in the industry. Big companies dealing with large volumes of data use Spark Scala API or Python API for processing large volumes of data. Most data engineer roles require you to have knowledge of Spark and to write efficient Spark scripts for building processing pipelines. In this tutorial, I would like to cover a wide range of topics related to Spark using Scala. The topics in which I am going to cover include the following: creation of data frames in Spark, applying filters, various methods of selection including select, dynamic select, and select expression, Spark group by and aggregation functions including percentile, average, max, min, Spark window function, Spark pivoting, rank and order by, Spark UDF, Spark SQL, and finally I'll cover Spark input and output formats.